up, guys? Welcome back for another video in the View into Hustle World. And yes, still trying to get you ready for the weekend. Again, I never know what you guys are going to do. You got to hit me in the comment section down below and let me know, right? So we thought we'd give you a variety. These are going to be free watch faces that's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager. So I just can't stop giving them to you. All right, so with that being said, let's check out. Now, the name of this watch face is called Krakatonga. If I pronounce that right, athletic, right? So it's a nice looking watch face. I do like this look. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, as I said before. Now, this one here isn't interactive, but it definitely gives you exactly what you're looking for right up front. So looking at the watch face, you are going to get your battery percentage to the left. All the way to the right, you will get your date. And then down at the bottom, you're going to get your step info and your heart rate. And of course, a nice big bold digital time up at the top. Now, this watch face is going to be in 24 hours. For those of you all who love 24 hours, this is not a bad look at all. But we got two more watch faces coming right up. So stay tuned. We may just have the one you're looking for. Okay, you all, got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. This is watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is nice. Whatever you do, don't sleep on this watch face, people. Remember, it's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store and definitely worthy of a download. I'm giving it my stamp of approval. Check this watch face out because the video isn't going to totally do it justice. You got to see this one in person. The name of the watch face is called Stealth Superlite. Now, in AOD mode, this looks super slick for the Gear S3 and the Gear S2. I wish this was an actual watch face, but it is what it is, right? Now, when the watch face is on, you are going to get an analog look. You're going to get a nice, smooth second hand that's taken around the bezel of the watch. Now, you may be able to get away with dressing up super casual with this watch face. But for the most part, it's a casual watch face, but it's nice. Now, what you're going to get is the name of the watch face in the center, right? You're going to get these hands that glow in the dark that looks really nice in red. You also get a nice, smooth second hand that, again, in person, it looks super awesome. People, trust me, pass this video on. Over here, you're going to get your battery percentage as well. And you get the beginning of the developer's initials, right? He goes up under the name of CWF, which stands for Z Watch Faces, right? Check this guy out because this guy is definitely doing good work on watch faces. And especially, we want to give him thanks for the donation of this one again. All right, you all. You will be able to go into your calendar if you so choose, and you'll be able to check out your battery information. And that's pretty much it about this watch face. It isn't going to give you your step status info or anything like that. But you pick and choose what kind of watch face you're going to wear for the weekend because you're not exercising every single day, people. Some days it's time to relax. All right, you all, stay tuned because here comes watch face number 3. Watch face number 3. Now, number 3 is nice, people. Do not sleep on this one. This one here is also free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. The name of it is called CWF Hydra. Now, it's a simple analog look. This is something that you can pretty much flex in over the weekend, over the work week, give you something fresh, something new, something different. And even in the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice traditional look. You'll be able to see your info at a glance with no problem. But once you cut the watch face on, here's what you're going to be greeted with. Now, first of all, it's an analog watch face first. The hand doesn't look bad at all. Remember, this is a super casual watch face. You will get your battery percentage over here, and you come down, you are going to get digital time in 24 hours, and also you'll get your date. So it gives you pretty much everything you need for the most part, except for those people who are into exercising. But again, it gives you an opportunity to get outside of what you're used to and try something new. Try something different. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.